everyone, welcome to next class of profit and loss. My name is Ravi Prakash. We'll continue here. Let's start with this question. Okay, a shopkeeper bought an article at ₹1,000 and marked up its price by X%. If he then gave a discount of 2x by 5% and still got a profit of rupees 2x by 5%, 2x by 5%, find the amount of discount given. Okay. So it basically means percentage discount. Okay, it means percentage discount or amount also you can find. Both are okay. Okay. So let's solve it. See, there are two ways to solve it. First way we will solve by this method, by equation. Second way we can use options, right? So see, 1,000 cost price of an article is 1,000 rupees. Okay, it's marked price. So it is marked X% above the cost price. So X% above the cost price. What is the mark price now? 1,000 into 1 plus X by 100, right? X% increase. What is the multiplying factor? 1 plus the fraction value. What is fraction value for X%? X by 100. So what is the multiplying factor? 1 plus X by 100. Okay. Now, discount of 2x by 5% is given. The discount given, right? Discount of 2x by 5% is discount. So decreasing, right? That means this value will further decrease by 2x by 5%. So 1,000 into, just wait a minute, 1,000 into 1 plus x by 100 is the value, and discount of 2x by 5%, right? It is 1 minus 2x by 500. 2x by 5%, percent will divide by 100 is the number, right? This is selling price. This is the selling price. Okay, so this is from where discount of 2x by 5% will give me this. And now CP is 1,000 and still he got a profit of 2x by 5%, right? So he got a profit of now 2x by 5%. So 2x by 5% profit. So what is SP now? So SP will become in from CP if I compare. So CP, or I should write here from MP to SP. Now SP I can also get by getting a profit of, right? So profit of 2x by 5%. What is CP now? What is SP now? 1,000 into 1 plus 2x by 500. This is the SP when compared to this C. When from CP this is the SP. And this is the SP when compared with when calculated with MP, mark price, right? So both are equal. This is also selling price. This is also selling price. Both are equal only, right? That means I can equate 1,000 into 1 plus 2x by 500 is equal to 1,000 into 1 plus x by 100 into 1 minus 2x by 500, right? This will get cancelled. Then solve it, right? 500 plus 2x is equal to 500 plus 2x upon 500. 500 plus 2x upon 500 is equal to 1,000 into 100 plus x upon 100 into 500 minus 2x by 500. This you can cancel 500 here, and you can solve it. So you'll see that you'll get x is equal to 50. So solving you'll get x is equal to 50. X is equal to 50. This is the answer for this question. Okay, x is equal to 50 is the answer for this question. Okay, you can solve it. I hope you can solve it, right? You can solve it easily. Simple one variable equation it is. Okay. We'll do cross multiplication here and we'll get the answer. Now, second method is going by options. Because I know it's here an x contains this question contains a x and x values given in options. So you can use options here, right? So options are what? See, always in this kind of hit and trial, because options is always hit and trial, right? So you always choose numbers. First, you always put them in ascending or descending order. So 40, 50, 60, 70 are the options. And if you're doing the hit and trial by putting options, so always you should pick the middle value. always you should pick the middle value, any middle value, right? So don't put 40 and 70, choose from 50 or 60. So I know 50 is the answer, right now, so I can pick 50, right? So I'll just show you, it's really correct. So that means CP is 1000. Quickly you can check. You want to check with x equal to 50? Quickly you can check. CP is 1000. What is mark price then? 50% above the mark price, right? If x is 50, so x percent, that is 1500. Now discount of 2x by 5%. What is 2x by 5? So 2x by 5 is 2 into 50 by 5. That is 20%. Discount of 20%. So 1500, 20% discount. So that is how much? Minus 300, right? 1500, 10% is 150. So 300 is 20%. So it is 1200. So SP is 1200. Now from CP I'll check. So he makes a profit of again 2x by 5. That is how much? 20. So again profit 20% will give me 1200. So correct. So 50 is the satisfying. Right? See, if I pick 60, 60 won't satisfy, right? Just see, if I pick 1000, 1000 is cost price. Mark price is 60% above cost price. Right? That is, if I pick option as 60. Okay. Then what is the mark price? 1600. Mark price is 1600. Discount of 2x by 5. What is 2x by 5 now? So 2 into 2x by 5 is what? 2 into 60 by 5. That is 24%. So 1600 reduction of 24%. Right? And profit is also of 24%. That is 2x by 5. So SP becomes 1240. But 24% decrease on 1600 will not give me 1240. That means 60 won't satisfy. Right? So that like this, we can check quickly from option also. So 50 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Now move to next one. Okay. See, another very good question. Very good question. SSC mains as well as CAT level. A trader sells cakes. A trader sells cakes in economy packs of 4 cakes per pack. Each pack being charged at the listed price of 3 cakes. Okay. Listed price is mark price of 3 cakes. Okay. For every set of 5 such packs bought by a customer, the trader gives him 1 extra cake as a free gift. Right. So if a customer buys 12 economy packs, what is the effective percentage of discount that he gets? Okay. You can solve it easily, this question, I hope. You can try it. You can pause the video and try for 5 minutes. Okay. We can solve it. A trader sells cakes in economy packs of 4 cakes per pack, right? So there's a in one pack. Okay. So in one pack there's 4 cakes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cakes here, but the price is only for 3. But the listed price is being charged at only for 3 cakes. For only 3 cakes, right? So that means let's say list price or mark price per cake is rupees X. Okay, that means this packet mark price will be 4x because it contains 4 cakes. Okay, so mark price is 4x, but customer is paying only 3. Customer is paying only 3x because he's paying for the listed price of only 3 cakes, right? And when he buys 5 such cakes, okay, 5 such packets, okay, he buys 5 such packets, so he gets 1 cake free. So don't get confused between packets and cakes. One pack contains 4 cakes. 4 cakes is being sold at the price of 3 cakes. And on buying 5 such packets of 4 cakes, he will get 1 extra cake free. Not 1 extra pack. 1 cake as free. Just one single piece. Okay. So see, if he was 5 packs, okay, so if 5 packs he bought, right? So 12 economy packs. 12 packs he bought. So he bought 12 economy packs. So it contains 4 into 12, 48 cakes. But he pays for only 3 into 12 because every pack is paying only 3. He's paying for only 3 cakes, right? 3 cakes. So 3 into 12, that is 36 cakes. So he's paying for 33 cakes, right? Now, in every 5 economy pack, he get 1 cake free. So in 12 economy packs, he will buy five such 2 sets. So every 5 economy pack, 1 cake free. So 12 by 5 is only 2, right? That means in every 5 economy pack, he will get 1 piece cake free. So 5 multiple is only 10 before 12. Okay, that means he'll get 2 extra cakes. 2 extra cakes he will get. 2 extra. Okay, so how much that is? 50. So he got 50 cakes, right? So on every 5 economy pack, he's getting 1 piece cake extra. So if he is buying 12 packs, so he's only entitled for 2 cakes free, because every 5 only 1. So 5 plus 5, 10, right? No chance of 15. In 15 economy packs, he will get 3 cakes, right? Till 14, he'll get only 2 cakes. 10 to 14, only 2 cakes extra. So total, he got 50 cakes. That is, what is the price? 50x. 50x price. Per cake is rupees x. So 50x price he paid, right? But he pays for how many cakes? Only 36 cakes, right? But he pays for 36 cakes, right? That is, 36 cakes means what? 36x. So that means at the price of 50x, he got 30x, 36x. What is percentage discount? So percentage discount is what? Discount of 14x on 50x into 100. That is 28%. Right. Discount is always on mark price. So discount of 14x he got. What is the list price or mark price? Because he got 50 cakes. So 50 cakes will have 50x as the mark price. 50x. So 14x upon 50x into 100. This is the answer for this question. Okay, I hope it is clear. So it looks like a big question, but it's actually very small. I can do it mentally also, right? Every piece every pack 4 cakes, he's paying for 3 cakes. If he buys 12 pieces, he's buying 48 cakes, but he's paying for only 36 cake. With every 5 economy pack, he's getting 1 piece cake extra. So in 12 economy, if you're buying 12 economy packs, he'll get 2 cake extra. 5 plus 5, 2. 5 plus 5, 2 economy packs, so 1 plus 1, 2 extra cake. Okay, so 50 cakes, at the price of 50 cakes is getting 36 cake. So at the price of 100 cake, he'll get 72 cake. What is discount percentage? 100 minus 72, 28%. Right, so that's easy. You can do it mentally also. Okay, next one. Now, this is a really good question. A bit lengthy question also, but it's a good question. Will clear lots of your concepts. Will give you a good practice. Okay, so you should solve this question. Very good question it is. Okay, now see, if the selling price of 10 oranges is equal to cost price of 14 oranges, written that selling price of 10 oranges is equal to cost price of 14 oranges, which in turn is equal to 1/3 of discount, 1/3 discount on 70 oranges. These all are equal. Okay, now let's assume something. We can see again, because I need to compare in price and nothing about price is given here. So I can assume SP of 1, CP of 1 orange is 1 rupees or 10 rupees or 100 rupees, my wish, right? Any number I can take. Let's say I take CP of 10 orange or TCP of 1 orange I can take. Wait. CP of 1 orange, I can take anything, 1, 5, 10, 100, your wish, right? Let's say 10. So CP of 1 orange is rupees 10. Okay. So if CP of 1 orange is rupees 10, so this funda goes to, okay, let me write here actually. I'm assuming CP of 1 orange rupees 10. CP of 1 orange rupees 10. Okay, so what is CP of 14 oranges? It is equal to 140. Okay, what is SP of 10 oranges? Is again equal to, because SP of 10 oranges is equal to CP of 14 oranges. This is again 140, right? That means what is SP of 1 orange? So SP of 1 orange is how much? That means if SP of 10 orange is 140, so what is SP of 1 orange? 14 rupees 14. So 140 is equal to, so I can write here 140 is equal to 1/3 discount on 70 oranges. How much is discount? Therefore, discount on 70 oranges how much? 140 into 3, rupees 420. rupees 420. Okay. That means what is discount on one orange? Discount on one orange how much? 420 by 70. That is rupees 6. 420 by 70 rupees 6. 420 by 70 is 6. Discount on one orange. So we got all this data. So what is the mark price? So always mark price or discount is rupees 6. It's selling at 14. So what is the mark price? 14 plus 6, 20 rupees. So mark price of one orange is what? It is 20 rupees. Okay. So all this data we have now, right? What is the markup percentage now? Markup percentage. It is easily markup percentage. CP is rupees 10 and mark price is rupees 20. So just MP double of CP. What is markup percentage? 100%. Markup percentage is 100%. Okay. So markup percentage is 100%. Now the question is, find the profit or loss percentage when the markup percentage is halved. Markup percentage is halved. So now markup percentage how much it is? 50%, right? So let's say CP of one orange is rupees 10 now. Okay. What is the markup percentage? What is my MP now? MP is rupees 15 because markup percentage is now 50%. So MP is rupees 15. And discount percentage is decreased by 5 percentage point, right? So what is discount percentage now? So discount percentage is now how much? What is discount earlier? So see, MP was rupees 20 and S discount was rupees 6. So what is discount percentage? 6 on 20. Okay. So discount percentage earlier was how much? 6 by 20. That is how much? That is 3 by 10, 30%. So if it is 30%, what is discount percentage now? 30% minus 5%, right? It is 25%. So discount percentage now is how much? 25%. So 25% discount. Okay, 25% discount on mark price. So what is 25%? 1/4 of 15. What is 1/4 of 15? 15 half 7.5. What is 7.5 half? 3.75. 3.75 discount. So 15 minus 3.75. 11.25. 15 minus 3.75. 11.25. That means selling price is 11.25. So what is the profit percentage? 10 to 11.25. What is the profit percentage? The profit is rupees 1.25. 1.25 on 10. That means 12.5 on 100. So 12.5 on 100 means what? What is the profit percentage? Therefore, profit percentage is 12.5%. So 12.5% is the answer for this question. Answer is 12.5%. Because CP is 10 rupees, selling price is 11.25. What is the profit? Profit is 1.25. So what is the cost price? 10. Profit is always on cost price. 1.25 on 10 into 100. That is 12.5%, right? So 12.5% is the answer for this question. 12.5%. Okay. So very nice question it is. Very nice question. Okay. Now move to next question now. Okay. See, before coming to next question, we'll do some concept here. Okay, some very good concept we'll discuss about cheatings, right? I can write some cheatings are done, cheatings or faulty weights kind of questions, right? Involving these kind cases, cheatings or faulty weights. Okay, shopkeeper is cheating, or he's using some faulty weights kind of to cheat the customers, right? See the meaning. Shopkeeper is using 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. What is his profit percentage? Correct. So shopkeeper is using 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. What is his profit percentage, right? See, in any this kind of question, the direct way to do it, right? But first again we'll see method wise. So what is first method? Again assumes simple anything. Take one price, 1 gram is 1 rupees. Okay. if cost price of 1 gram is rupees 1. This is method 1. We'll see direct method also, but try to understand the concept here. CP of 1 gram is rupees 1. Okay. Now, he's using a 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. So, he's cheating the customers, right? He's cheating the customers, obviously. So, that means he's actually selling 800 gram of something, let's say rice. Okay. So, what is the cost price of 800 gram rice? So, cost price of 800 gram rice is how much? So, if 1 gram is 1 rupees, so 800 gram is 800 rupees. Okay. Now, always compare between same quantity. So, if cost price of 800 gram is 800, so I should compare what is SP of then 800 gram automatically, because comparing quantity should be same. We have discussed this earlier. Okay. What is SP of 800 gram rice? So now SP of 800 gram rice is how much? It is nothing but rupees 1000 only. Why 1000? Because if he's selling at cost price to the customer, okay, so he's just cheating by 200 gram. So if he's cheating by 200 gram, that means to customer he's selling at the cost of 1 kg. Okay, but he's actually selling 800 gram. Okay, so he's actually taking 1000 rupees from the customer, right? So in 800 gram rice, he's selling at 1000 rupees. So what is the profit percentage here? 200 upon 800, right? Profit is always on cost price. That is 1 by 4, that is 25%. Okay. So SP of 800 gram rice. So when he's selling 800 gram rice to the customer, right? So I don't know he's cheating. Okay. So if he's selling at the cost price, right, this would be written in the questions and all, right? If he's selling at the cost price, okay. Sometimes you go to the shops and all in this side shops, road shops, and they'll tell you, right? If you bargain for tomato and potatoes, so they'll tell you, okay, that I'm selling at my cost price only. Okay, now don't reduce further. They'll ask you, right? So they claim to sell at the cost price only. So if this is the case, that shopkeeper is using 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight and nothing else is given in the question, that means it is assumed that he is selling at the cost price only. Okay. So once he is selling at the cost price, that means what is the part? What is his profit percentage in this case? So 1 gram is 1 rupees. So CP of 800 gram rice 800 rupees. What is SP of 800 gram rupees? So SP means is selling to us. So how much I am paying? I am unaware of his cheating, right? So I am paying him 1000 rupees for it. That means what is profit percentage? 25%. Second method, directly we can do. I told you earlier also. He's instead of 1 kg weight, he's using 800 gram weight, right? That means he's making straight away profit of 200 gram. So what is profit percentage? So profit of 200 gram, we discuss is always on the article sold. When the question is not in terms of rupees, right? So always on article sold. How much article is sold? 800 gram only sold. He's making a profit of 200 gram on selling 800 gram, not on selling 1000 gram, right? Mind it. So always on article sold here. We discussed this earlier. Okay. So 200 gram by 800 gram, 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? So 1 by 4 is nothing but 25%. 25% is the answer. That we got here also. Same thing, right? This is the main funda of it, right? Now, see, one more case we'll discuss. Now, shopkeeper, what he's doing? He's now doing two things here. Okay. First thing, 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. And second thing, second thing, he markup percentage is, let's say, 40%. 40% is the markup percentage, right? That means now what happens? So that means, see, this is a case where first we again solve by first method. What is the first method here? So if he's using 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight, okay, so that means again let the cost price of 1 gram is equal to 1 rupees. Okay, so what is the cost price of his selling to customer only? How much? 800 grams. So what is cost price of 800 gram? Rupees 800. So he's selling goods worth rupees 800 to the customer only. 800 gram, right? Now, markup is 40%. That means for 1 kg, CP of 1 kg was how much? Let's say 1 kg rice was how much? 1000 rupees. So let's say 1 kg rice. CP was 1000 rupees, and he further marked it up by 40%. That means he's now selling 1 kg at 1400. So he's selling 1 kg at 1400, but that too is not selling 1 kg at 1400. He's selling only 800 gram to us. So he's double cheating us, right? First is increasing the price also. He's increasing the price also, markup price, and second thing, he's not giving any discount and he's just cheating to us, right? That means he's selling 200 gram per less also, right? So his profit is much more than 40%, right? So what is profit percentage now? So what is this SP of again same quantity 800? What is the SP of 800 gram here? So SP of 800 gram, how much? So rupees 800. He was supposed to take rupees 1000 if he was selling at cost price. We saw in the last case, right? That customer would pay him 1000 rupees if he's selling at cost price. But he's not selling at cost price, he's selling at 40% above cost price, that is 1400. So he's taking rupees 1400 from us. Okay, that means what is the profit percentage here? 600 on 800 into 100. That is 75%. So shopkeeper is making an overall profit of 75% in the transaction. 75% in the transaction. Correct? Now, second way to do it. Second way to do it is in successive change. Right? This is a very important funda. Second way to do it in successive change. Right? Now see, successive change directly you can do. Assume cost price to be 100 and see what changes happened, right? When he is using a 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight, we already saw due to this he is making a profit of how much? 25%, right? 200 gram of profit on 800. So due to cheating by less weight, he is making a profit of how much? 25%. So what should be his SP now? 125, right? If he's cheating only 100 worth, he's selling at 125. Okay, that means he's making profit of 25%. But again, he has further increased the markup by 40%. So he further increased the price by 40%. That is the markup. So again, this is successive change, right? Again, increasing by 40. Successive means what? Continuous change, one after the other. Okay, so this first change is already affected with the second change because he's increasing the price of 40% to that 200 gram also, which he is not giving to us, right? So we are paying for the 200 gram not only in terms of cost price but only in terms of but in terms of increased price also, right? So this 25% is being affected by this 40%. It's successive change, right? So those 200 gram also he's taking the price from us. First I am paying 1000 rupees. First I should pay 1000 rupees if the price was not included. The price was not included, right? That is like 200 gram. I am paying 1000 rupees if only you are cheating by weight. But I am paying 1400. I am paying for 1 kg plus 40% extra, that is his markup. But I am not getting 1 kg, I am getting only 800 gram. I am further cheated there by 200 gram. This is successive change. Okay. So see 40% of 125, how much? It is 50. 10% 12.5. So 40.50. How much it is? It is 175. That's it, right? You can see what is the profit percentage. So 100 worth of something worth 100 is selling at 175. So what is his profit percentage? So again his profit percentage is how much? 75% only. 100 to 175. Now this is better done by, in questions it is better done by multiplying factor. Same thing. Assume CP. This is first point. The second point directly you can do is assume CP as 1. 25, listen very carefully, right? These points, every point is so important. Okay, 25% increase, that means 1 by 4 increase. What is the multiplying factor? Increase. So 1 plus 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 into 40% further increase, that is what is 40%? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 further increase to 1 plus 2 by 5 multiplying factor increase. So 1 plus 2 by 5, that is 7 by 5. 7 by 5. So what is SP now? So SP becomes 7 by 4. What is 7 by 4? 1.75. So if CP I assumed as 1, see, CP I assumed as 1. Okay. and SP I got it as 1.75. SP 1.75. What is the profit percentage? Again 75%. 1 to 1.75. So 0.75 on 1. That means 75 on 100. 75%. Right. So this second method is very effectively used because here you don't need to calculate for every fraction. You don't need to calculate percentage value. Right. So I'll show this in later questions. Right. This method using is very useful. This second one. First, second, both are same thing. But sometimes using this multiplying factor is even easier. Okay. Than using this 100 number. Okay. Okay. Now. Next question we'll discuss. Next case we'll discuss. Right here only we'll discuss next case. So let me rub all this. Now, I'll add a third point here. That let's say shopkeeper has marked up by 40%. Okay. So now I should not use this first method. Right. This first method is clear. By taking 1 gram as 1 rupees we can solve. Okay. So now we should directly solve for second method. Okay. So in second method, see what I directly will solve. One more point I'll add here. Third point is and gave discount of let's say discount of, he gave 20% discount. Not 20%. Take it any number as let's say 40% discount. It's okay. He gave discount of 40%. Right? So what is his overall profit percentage? What is his overall profit percent in this case? Right? Directly we'll use method 2 here. Method 2 directly. Method 2. Okay. Assume CP as 1. Now first thing, instead of 800 gram, he's using 1 kg weight. So now mentally calculate. Treat this as a fresh question and you can solve this question in maximum 20 seconds. Right? Just keep your mind fresh and just listen what I'm telling you. CP is 1. So how to calculate now SP? So first thing, 1 into, what is the multiplying factor here? 800 gram weight instead of 1 kg weight. So what is the profit percentage is making? Profit of, simply calculate in mind, profit of 200 gram always on sold part. What is sold part? 800 gram. Right? He's selling to us 800 gram. So 200 gram on 800 gram. How much? 1 by 4. That is 25%. Okay. So 1 by, due to first thing, right? I should write here. Okay. Right here we are finding overall profit percentage. Okay, so first thing here, okay, 1 by 4 profit is making. What is 1 by 4 profit multiplying factor? 5 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4, 5 by 4. Markup is 40%, so that is 2 by 5 again above markup. Okay, so again for increase of 2 by 5, what is the multiplying factor? 1 plus 2 by 5, that is 7 by 5. And then now he gave a discount of 40%. So again 2 by 5 discount. So what is now? Further it will be like continued. Same thing, continuation going on. So 2 by 5 discount is giving. Right? So 2 by 5 discount means what is the multiplying factor? 2 by 5 decrease. What is the multiplying factor? Now 1 minus 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 5 now. Okay. That is 3 by 5. Because decrease. So 3 by 5. Okay. This will get cancelled. How much it is? 21 by 20. Okay. So SP becomes how much? SP becomes 21 by 20. Right. So you should directly think. Now think like this. CP is 1 and SP is 21 by 20. SP is 21 by 20. What is the profit percentage? Directly. How much profit is making? Obviously it is more than 1. How much profit is making? So assume CP. Now think CP in terms of numerator. Make numerator equal. When you're comparing a number with fraction, make numerator equal. So here what is it? So not numerator, I'm sorry, denominator. When you're comparing number with fraction, make denominator equal. What is denominator here? 20. So what is 1 in terms of 20? I can write 20 by 20. CP is 20 by 20. SP is 21 by 20. What is the profit percentage? 1 by 20. What is 1 by 20? 5%. So what is the answer? Answer is 5%. Answer is 5%. Right. Same thing. 100. First increase of just 25%. So 125. Another increase of 40%. So 125, 40% is 50. So 175. Now decrease of 40%. That is Again 175 40%. 175 10% 17.5 into 4, that is 70. So minus 70 105. So 100 to 105. What is the percentage here? 5%. Same thing. Multiplying factor. For 25% increase, 1 by 4 increase, multiply by 5 by 4. 1 plus 1 by 4. For 40% increase, that is 2 by 5 increase, multiply by 7 by 5. Okay, and for 2 by 5 decrease, multiply by 3 by 5. You get the answer 21 by 20. CP is 1, SP is 21 by 20. Or you can write, or what we can do here is first way to compare 20 by 20. What is second way to compare? Second way to compare is 21 by 20. Make denominator 100. You can write 105 by 100. Right. For multiply 5 times to make it 100. Right. So 100. So now you can think in terms of CPS 100 by 100 to 105 by 100. So since it is 100, direct answer is what? Direct answer is 5%. Direct answer. Okay, so I hope, right, so all these concepts should be very clear to you. All these concepts should be very clear to you, right? So means now you can sense it by seeing these numbers here. You can just sense it by seeing these numbers here. See these numbers, right? Try to put some common sense here. See these numbers here. Number 5 by, now as you have assumed CP as 1, okay? Now this is, what is 5 by 4? It is 1 point something. This is greater than 1. This number is greater than 1. That means his shopkeeper is making a profit. When you are multiplying in 1, you are multiplying something greater than 1, that number will be more than 1. That means 5 by 4, that means this itself indicates that shopkeeper is making a profit. Okay, shopkeeper is making a profit. Now 7 by 5. Again this number is what? This is again greater than 1. To 1 point something. This again denotes that again you are multiplying in a number. If you are multiplying by more than 1, that number will be increased. Right? In a positive number, if I'm multiplying with a number that is more than 1, right? 10 into 1 is 10. 10 into 1.2 is 12. So if I'm multiplying with a number more than 1, it will increase. Right? So it is also greater than 1. So again, these two indicates that his profit is increased further. Now this is 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5 now? So 3 by 5 is what? It is less than 1. That means in a number, if you multiply by a number that is less than 1, that number will be decreased. 10 into 0.7 is 7 only. Okay, that number will further decrease. So that means this is showing his loss. So this is increase, that I should write increase, increase, increase and decrease here. Okay. So obviously discount, obviously this is a part of discount, right? And discount is always loss for shopkeeper, right? If they will not give discount, they'll always make a good profit, right? Discount is always a loss for shopkeeper. Okay. So these things you should understand, and we can solve. This was a very good question, right? And we can solve very good questions like this. Okay. In next video we'll solve. Okay. This kind of very good questions. Okay. Thank you.